Auditing in manufacturing and production environments is essential for ensuring quality, efficiency, and compliance with industry standards. A well-executed audit helps organizations detect risks, improve processes, and maintain product consistency. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. The importance of auditing in manufacturing. 2. Types of audits in production environments. 3 key focus areas in manufacturing audits. 4 best practices for effective manufacturing audits. By mastering these principles, auditors can enhance quality control, reduce waste, and optimize production performance. 1. The importance of auditing in manufacturing. Ensures product quality. Audits verify that materials, production processes, and final products meet specifications. Maintains compliance. Helps manufacturers meet ISO 9001, IATF 16949, GMP, and OSHA requirements. Reduces waste and defects. Identifies inefficiencies, machine failures, and process gaps. Enhances workplace safety. Ensures adherence to safety protocols and equipment maintenance schedules. 2 types of audits in production environments. Internal audits, conducted by in-house auditors to assess compliance and process efficiency. Supplier audits evaluate raw material quality, vendor reliability, and adherence to contractual requirements. Process audits focus on specific production steps to identify inefficiencies and risks. Product audits inspect finished goods for defects, deviations, or compliance failures. Regulatory compliance audits verify adherence to ISO, OSHA, and industry-specific regulations. 3 key focus areas in manufacturing audits. Material and supplier quality control verify raw material specifications and supplier certifications. Production process compliance ensure work instructions and SOPs are followed correctly. Defect and nonconformity management analyze scrap rates, defect trends, and corrective actions. Workplace safety and environmental compliance ensure compliance with OSHA, ISO 14001, and workplace hazard standards. 4 best practices for effective manufacturing audits. Use checklists and standardized templates. Follow structured checklists for ISO 9001, IATF 16949, GMP, or industry-specific audits. Adopt technology for real-time monitoring. Use AI-powered quality inspection tools and IoT-enabled sensors to track machine performance. Engage cross-functional teams. Involve quality, production, and maintenance teams for a comprehensive audit approach. Conduct regular follow-up audits. Monitor corrective actions and ensure continuous improvement. Key takeaways. Manufacturing audits ensure quality, compliance, and operational efficiency. Types of audits include internal, supplier, process, product, and regulatory audits. Key focus areas include material quality, production compliance, defect control, and workplace safety. Best practices like checklists, digital monitoring, and regular follow-ups improve audit effectiveness. By implementing strong auditing practices, manufacturers can enhance quality, minimize risks, and boost productivity. In the next lesson, we'll explore how digital transformation is reshaping manufacturing audits.